Marcus Aurelius once said, "Accept the things to which fate binds you and love the people with whom fate brings you together, but do so with all your heart." This profound wisdom lays the foundation for one of the core principles of Stoicism, Amore Fati, or the love of fate. Introduction. What is Amore Fati? Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we explore timeless philosophies to help you live a more fulfilling and resilient life. Today, we're diving deep into the Stoic concept of Amore Fati. Whether you're new to Stoicism or a seasoned practitioner, this idea holds powerful insights for everyone. Amore Fati means embracing everything that happens in your life, both good and bad. It's about seeing every event, every twist and turn, as a necessary part of the grand design of your existence. It encourages us to love our fate and to approach life's challenges with resilience and grace. The philosophy behind Amore Fati. Amore Fati isn't about passive acceptance or resignation. Instead, it's an active engagement with life's events. The Stoics believed that everything that happens to us happens for a reason and contributes to our growth. By adopting this mindset, we transform obstacles into opportunities for practicing virtue and developing our character. Embracing life's challenges. Let's face it, life is unpredictable and often throws us curveballs. We experience loss, failure, and disappointment. The Stoics teach us that these experiences are not to be feared or resented, but embraced as integral parts of our journey. Practical application. Turning obstacles into opportunities. So, how do we practice Amore Fati in our daily lives? Here are 4 practical steps. Step 1. Daily reflection. Start your day with a moment of reflection. Think about the potential challenges you might face and prepare your mind to accept and embrace them. Remind yourself that each challenge is an opportunity to practice virtue. Step 2. Reframe adversity. When faced with a difficult situation, ask yourself how this could serve your growth. For example, if you lose your job, instead of seeing it solely as a setback, consider how this experience could open new doors or teach you resilience and resourcefulness. Step 3. Practice gratitude. Develop a habit of gratitude. Focus on what you can learn from each experience. Keeping a gratitude journal can help you regularly acknowledge the positive aspects of your life and the lessons from your challenges. Step 4. Mindful acceptance. When something doesn't go as planned, practice mindful acceptance. Instead of immediately reacting with frustration or anger, take a moment to breathe and remind yourself that this is part of your path. Stories of Amore Fati in action. To illustrate the power of Amore Fati, let's look at some historical examples. One of the most famous is the story of Thomas Edison. When his laboratory burned down, destroying years of work, he remarked, "Thank goodness all our mistakes were burned up. Now we can start fresh again." This attitude exemplifies the Stoic mindset of embracing fate with optimism and resilience. Another example is Viktor Frankl, a Holocaust survivor who wrote Man's Search for Meaning. Despite enduring unimaginable suffering, he found meaning in his suffering and used his experiences to help others find purpose in their lives. How Amore Fati can transform your life. By adopting Amore Fati, you empower yourself to live a more meaningful and resilient life. It shifts your perspective from one of victimhood to one of agency. Instead of feeling at the mercy of life's events, you see yourself as an active participant in your destiny. Conclusion. As we wrap up, I encourage you to start practicing Amore Fati today. Embrace each moment, each challenge, with love and acceptance. Remember, it's not about passively accepting your fate, but actively loving it and seeing it as an essential part of your growth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this message. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more explorations into Stoic philosophy and other timeless wisdom. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, embrace your fate with open arms and a full heart.